Alright, in the last video we had seen the zooming options in ArcGIS, and then we learned about the map scaling here. Now today we're going to look at an option called the magnifier. And what it is basically is a magnifying glass. So if you want to zoom in or look in a specific place, for example, if I wanted to look in this specific place without changing the scale, I will be using the magnifier. So where the magnifier is, we're first going to take a look at that. So when you go to here into the Windows tab, you'll see a magnifier here. Now if you click it, magnifying glass will pop up here. Now you can drag it along. Now since I wanted to look at this place, I'm going to drag it to this place. As you can see, I can see it a bit bigger than what it was originally. Now I can also increase the zoom, and as you can see, I can do that without changing the map scale. Now what I can do is I can increase the zoom to 1000% maximum. So first let's do 200%, then let's see at 300%. Now as you can see, I can see the individual small polygons now with the 300% range. Now if you needed more, you could have gone to 500%. There we go. Now if you want to see more, or then you go to a more bigger range of zoom. So this is with 900%. There we go, this with 900%, and then the maximum we have the 1000% there. Okay, so that is what the magnifier is. What it does, it's basically a magnifying glass. So if you want to take a look at a certain place of your workspace or your shapefile or your anything you are working on ArcGIS without changing the scale here, you can use the magnifier. But I actually never use the magnifier. I just use the regular zoom in and zoom out, even if it changes the scale temporarily, because with zoom extend I can again come back to the original scale that was given here. So that is about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have got to learn something new from this. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.